Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create a group on Emo. First of all, you can open the Emo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will find the first option, that is create new group. Tap on it, and here you can see the two type of groups. You can just simply create a secret group or you can create a public group. In my case, I can create secret group, so you can just simply tap on search icon at the top right corner of the screen, or you can just simply search for the friend. I can select this friend. After selecting the friend, you can see the option create group at the top middle of the screen, and you can add many members in your group. And after adding the members in your group, you can now tap on tick at the bottom middle of the screen, and this is the way you can create group on Emo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.